Got rust on metal? I'm Theresa, and I've got a quick tip that can help. Here's a quick tip from MyFixitUpLife. If you've got rust on metal, I've got 2 easy ways to help you get rid of it. The first way to get rid of rust on metal is to use white vinegar and aluminum foil. Just tear off a strip of aluminum foil, pour a little white vinegar on it, just a little bit, and then rub it into the rust. You'll see a little bit of a reaction happening. That is what you want to see. Rubbing it in, and let it sit for a little bit, and then wipe it off. Now, the second way to remove rust from metal is to use a lemon. Very easy, just rub the lemon right into the rust, or lemon juice, works the same. Smells fantastic. After you rub it in, let it sit for a bit, not too long, and then wipe it off. You know, while the lemon smells fantastic, the aluminum foil works a lot faster, so that's what I'm going to stick to on this project. Starting to look pretty good. Now that the rust is gone, it's time to take this quick tip to a makeover. I want to update this chair to rose gold. The key with getting a good finish with spray paint is dusting light coats. After the rose gold paint is dry, I'm going to clear coat it to extra protect it against rust in the future. Then I'm going to put a little cushion on it, and I think it'll be perfect for one of my cats.